Welcome back to Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into Sony's latest masterpiece, the Sony A7V. As the next evolution in Sony's iconic Alpha series, the A7V is a technological marvel that's redefining what mirrorless cameras can achieve. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an aspiring creator, this camera promises to elevate your craft to unprecedented heights. From its revolutionary sensor to its refined ergonomics, the A7V is a testament to Sony's relentless innovation. Let's break down everything that makes this camera a game-changer in the world of photography and filmmaking. Refined design and build quality. Sony has paid meticulous attention to the A7V's design, ensuring it balances form and function. The camera features a redesigned grip, larger and more ergonomic, offering enhanced stability and comfort during extended shoots. Crafted from durable magnesium alloy, the body is fully weather-sealed, making it ideal for challenging environments, from rugged outdoor adventures to professional studio setups. The control layout has been reimagined, placing buttons and dials intuitively for faster, more efficient access. The new vari-angle touchscreen is a standout feature, boasting higher resolution and improved responsiveness. This ensures easy framing for stills and video while making navigation through menus effortless. For professionals, the dual card slots supporting CF Express Type A and SD UHS-2 formats guarantee reliability and speed. Whether capturing fast action sequences or recording long-form video, the A7V's storage options ensure uninterrupted performance. Revolutionary sensor and processor. At the core of the Sony A7V lies a groundbreaking 33-megapixel back-illuminated full-frame sensor. This marvel of engineering offers stunning resolution, perfect for detailed landscapes, portraits, or commercial photography. 15 stops of dynamic range, delivering exceptional detail in both highlights and shadows. Paired with the latest Bion's XR processor, the A7V achieves advanced noise reduction, cleaner images even at high ISOs, improved color reproduction, true-to-life tones across varied lighting conditions, blazing image processing speeds, ideal for high-speed bursts and complex video tasks. The sensor's dual native ISO capability ensures outstanding results, whether shooting in bright daylight or low-light interiors. With 10 frames per second continuous shooting and a deep buffer, the A7V is perfect for capturing fleeting moments in wildlife or sports photography. Next-level video capabilities. The Sony A7V is a filmmaker's dream. Its video capabilities set a new benchmark. 4K recording at 60 frames per second ensures vibrant, detailed footage. 4K at 120 frames per second opens doors for stunning slow-motion sequences. 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording for richer color grading and post-production flexibility. Sony has addressed overheating concerns by integrating an advanced heat dissipation system, allowing extended recording sessions without interruptions. For instant cinematic results, the camera introduces new picture profiles like a Cinetone, delivering a professional look straight out of the camera. The inclusion of a digital audio interface ensures pristine sound quality for videographers, while focus breathing compensation and flexible codec options cater to high-end productions. Unmatched autofocus performance. Autofocus is a hallmark of Sony's cameras, and the A7V pushes the boundaries further. With 759 phase detection points covering 94% of the frame, the autofocus system delivers lightning-fast focusing, even in low light. Real-time tracking locks onto subjects with incredible accuracy. IAF for humans and animals, perfect for portraits, wildlife, and sports photography. This advanced AF system ensures you never miss a critical moment, making it indispensable for both still photographers and filmmakers. Enhanced connectivity and workflow. Modern creators demand seamless connectivity, and the Sony A7V delivers. High-speed USB-C and full-sized HDMI ports for tethered shooting and external monitoring. Dual-band Wi-Fi for rapid file transfers and remote control via Sony's Imaging Edge app. AI-based noise reduction for live streaming, providing broadcast-quality output. The dual card slots ensure reliable storage solutions, while features like cloud integration streamline workflows for professionals on the go. Usability and customization. Sony has revamped the menu system, making it more intuitive and user-friendly. Key features include customizable buttons and function menus, tailored to fit your shooting style. Vari-angle touchscreen. Enhances usability, especially for vloggers and content creators. This level of personalization ensures the A7V adapts to your needs, allowing you to focus on your creativity. A worthy investment. The Sony A7V is a premium offering, but its unparalleled features and performance justify the investment. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, shooting high-quality cinematic videos, or live streaming content, the A7V is a versatile powerhouse. It's a camera designed not just to meet, but to exceed the expectations of professionals and enthusiasts alike. Conclusion. The Sony A7V isn't just an upgrade. It's a bold statement of Sony's commitment to excellence in imaging technology. With its refined design, groundbreaking sensor, advanced video capabilities, and unmatched autofocus performance, the A7V sets a new standard for mirrorless cameras. Whether you're a photographer capturing fleeting moments or a filmmaker crafting compelling stories, the A7V empowers you to bring your vision to life. That wraps up our in-depth review of the Sony A7V. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for more deep dives into the latest innovations shaping the tech world. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our newest content. And let us know in the comments what excites you most about the A7V. Stay tuned for more comprehensive reviews and tech updates. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of creativity.